Hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, kem cho, majama cho. Today I am going to tell you about the different grasses with their names. And I am showing you the first grass. See the flower here, you can see how beautiful it looks. The leaf blade is there. See the full plant you can see. This is the flower. And the name of this particular grass is Newtons. The Indian Newtons, Nutans, Newtons. You can see the flower and this is the flower, this is the leaf blade, this is culm, 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 and the roots are, that is rhizomes, underneath the soil. Just watch how beautiful it looks. People feel that it's mere waste, but it is a feast to your eyes, and you can plant them in your gardens and keep them as ornamental grasses, paint them and keep them in your flower vases. See how beautiful. Okay, now next grass I'm going to show is, this is switchgrass, which usually first it is in green color and then it changes to red color. See how beautiful they are. These are all the flowers you can see. These also can be painted and kept in your flower vases for the decoration purpose, and they are feast to your eyes. SWITCH, switchgrass, red switchgrass. Now see, this is the Bermuda grass. See how it has occupied the ground. The leaf blades you can see. The flower you can see. The leaf blades are little smaller than the usual ones. This is Bermuda grass. Bermuda, Bermuda grass. Now this is the next grass. You can see the bunch of flowers. See how beautiful they look. This is called the Timothy grass. Timothy, Timothy grass. These flowers on the leaf blades itself, and the roots are underneath. This is Timothy, okay? Now this is another type of grass which is called as crowfoot grass. Crowfoot grass. This is couch grass, COUCH, couch grass. See how beautiful it looks. This is again another variety of crowfoot grass. See, this is light green in color. Look at the flowers. How beautiful they look. This is how the grass looks. Now let me explain the grass also. As you all know, this is called the flower. This is culm, C-U-L-M, culm. And this is the leaf blade. See, here also you can see this is leaf blade. This is culm, this is flower, this is the leaf sheath, and this one is the node. And you can find the roots underneath the soil, which are called as rhizomes. Hope you are liking this video. Please do like, comment and share. This is agrostar. First it is in green color and then it becomes reddish brown, which can be used as a ornamental grass. I'll show you the red colors also. See, this is how the red and green both are there. Beautiful. Close up also you can see green is there, red is there. These are flower buds. The crabgrass. See, this is the flower. See how beautiful it looks. This is leaf blade and this is culm, C-U-L-M, culm. This is the sheath here, leaf sheath, and this is the node. And the roots are underneath the soil, which are called rhizomes. The grasses which I am showing today are all short grasses, not the tall ones, which are found around your houses. This is Indian orchard grass. It is in bunches, you can see here. How beautiful they look. Can be used for decoration purposes. The Indian orchards. So here guys, I have shown you almost all the grasses found near my house. Hope you like the videos, and please do subscribe and share my video if you like it. Do comment. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Take care and have a healthy lifestyle. Thank you very much.